Hello everyone, my name is Kamal. In this video I'm going to discuss about color in CSS. So if we want to apply the color, there is a bunch of different way we can apply the color our CSS styles. So let us say style like this, style equal to, let's say color, just normally color. I can normally say red like this. Yeah, so I can go to the website, this w3school HTML color picker. Over here I can pick, there is a varieties number of color. I can use the has code. This has code. We can apply the color by using has color. Let us copy this as color and go and apply it. Just come over here. Let's get rid of this red. Let me fix it. Yeah, let me run it. Yeah, look at it. Still now it's a fair. So there is a bunch of different ways we can apply the color. I can also use this. Let me copy this. Let me copy this. Yeah, look at how the color has turned. So there is a varieties number of way we can apply the color and CSS style. So there is some web page that we can go and search varieties number of color, like has code website. So you can go and check it. Look at this number of way we can apply a color on our CSS style. So that is it.